Hello and welcome to a new video. As I've told you in the last video, this time the video will be an exercise about the date and time functions. I've linked the video, the exercise in the video description. If you want to give it a try in advance, please feel free to do so. But then pause the video at this point because the next part of the video will be a run through this exercise. Thank you. Well, we need to extract the date out of this the day out of this date at the right. Use the day function. For the month, we use the month function. And for the year, we use the year function. We also need to create this date here out of those separate values. Select the cells accordingly. Use the weekday numbers here. Return type is default. Also for this one, we can copy the formula. The weekday written out, we use text. Select the date and you type in DDDD, so for these. I will type in TTTT because I'm on different language setting. The current date is today, so type in today. And the current date with time is now. The calendar week is week num of the current date. So you use the today function inside here or link cell G2. And the last day of a month of the current date, we could also use the today function or link to cell G2 and use here the 0 here to get the last day of the current month your start date is in. So that was the exercise. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to address them in the comment section.